Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water inlet hose in an LG washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a pair of large pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water inlet hose. There are two water inlet hoses that connects the washer to the hot and cold water faucets. The main reason for the replacement of the water inlet hose is if it's causing a water leak. So our task is to replace the water inlet hose. The very logical would be to replace both of them at the same time if one of them bursts and leaks. I'm going to use a towel underneath because we're going to most likely have water. And one more little detail. Before you touch this end, make sure that the water faucets are closed, both of them, hot and cold. And we can start unscrewing it. I'm going to use channel locks. You can use a large pliers, anything. And the rest I can do by hand. And I'm going to do the same thing with the second one. All right. So while he has the hoses off, I recommend you to check the condition of these two filters. You can see this inside the inlets. You can pull them out if you need it to be done. You can use the pliers and just straight out. Clean them, wash them, and don't forget to put them back in. Right now we're going to take the hoses off the faucet at the wall. So I'm going to put a towel underneath and I'm going to use that channel locks. And I'm going to unscrew that right side hose. And then we can continue manually after it's loose. And we can take it off. And repeat the procedure. Channel locks. Break it loose. And now we can continue manually unscrewing it. I'm turning it counterclockwise. This is the old water inlet hose next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So I'm going to get a new water inlet hose attached to the faucet. And start manually and tie it up as much as you can. And we're going to use the channel locks, all large pliers, and we're going to tie it more, quarter of the turn. That would be more than enough. And the second one, do the same thing. Okay. All right, now we're going to install the new water inlet hose. This metal elbow portion will most likely go on the washer. Most of the time we can do that. So it will give a little less bent space behind the washer. You can put it closer to the wall. Very carefully put it on the plastic inlet tube and tighten by hand. Only then we'll use the channel locks pliers and tighten just a quarter of turn. That would be more than enough. And then the second hose. Same thing, place it on and carefully start it up so it won't damage the threads on the plastic inlet. And tighten it by hand in just a quarter of turn, no more than that, using the pliers. Turn on the water, plug the washer in and run it to check if it works properly and there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.